You can be anything you want to be in this world by applying His law if you bear in mind that at all times men and women are only in states. A man is in the state of poverty. The being occupying the state of poverty must express poverty. But you need not continue in that state. The man occupying the state of being wealthy must express wealth. He need not continue in that state. But wealth and poverty and all these things are simply states. And men pass through them and leave the state behind, as you and I pass through a city and leave the city behind. To say that the city through which I passed ceases to be because I've gone through it and am no longer in it is just as silly as to say a state through which I have passed has ceased to be because I no longer occupy it. I occupy poverty and pass on if I am so inclined or I know how to do it, but poverty remains forever. It's a state. Foolishness remains forever. Hate remains forever. All these things remain forever. You can hear this law for years and years, and suddenly, if you're not awake, you fall into a state of hate, and it becomes natural to you. You will find people who actually tell you, trying to support their concepts of why you should hate, and use the book of books to support it. Just go to your social media and look at others trying to remind you of what you should hate and why you should hate. Let me remind you, the Bible has not a thing to do with secular history. It's sacred history. Israel's sacred history, which comes to climax and fulfillment in the unfolding of this plan, which is hidden in Christ in you. When it begins to unfold, it always unfolds in the very end of the journey.